If you're considering Puzzle.io, there are a few key things you need to know before making the jump. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this software is right for you and how it stacks up against the competition in the digital marketing space. Stick around because we're diving into 7 things you should absolutely consider before buying. And hey, if you're interested, you can try Puzzle.io completely free with the link in the description below, so keep watching. First thing you need to know is that Puzzle.io offers a unique approach to customer segmentation and targeting. Unlike other platforms that focus mostly on basic automation or generic CRM capabilities, Puzzle.io provides robust tools that help you categorize your audience in precise ways. If you've been using traditional marketing tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, you'll find Puzzle.io's segmentation capabilities offer a deeper level of insight and flexibility, allowing for highly personalized campaigns. Next thing, automation with intelligence. Many marketing platforms allow you to automate email sequences, but Puzzle.io brings AI-powered automation to the table. Their system learns and adapts based on how users interact with your content, helping you optimize your campaigns over time. It's similar to what you'd find in more established tools like HubSpot or Marketo, but Puzzle.io delivers this with a simplicity that's often lacking in those bigger platforms. If you're not a marketing expert but want powerful automation, Puzzle.io might be the solution you've been looking for. Now, the third thing to understand is the reporting and analytics system. One area where Puzzle.io shines is its data analysis tools. If you've used tools like Google Analytics or Mixpanel before, you'll be familiar with the importance of accurate and actionable insights. Puzzle.io takes it a step further by offering intuitive, easy-to-understand reports without overwhelming you with complex data. Whether you're tracking email open rates, engagement, or sales conversions, Puzzle.io presents the data in a way that's instantly useful, which makes decision-making faster and easier. The fourth thing you need to consider is the integrations. Puzzle.io might not have the same number of out-of-the-box integrations as platforms like Zapier or Integromat, but it has all the essential ones you need to connect with CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and social media tools. You'll find integrations with the likes of Shopify, Google Ads, and even Facebook, making it a seamless addition to your marketing tech stack. Plus, if you're in a niche business, Puzzle.io's custom integration options make it flexible enough to meet your specific needs. Next, we'll talk about ease of use. A common pain point with marketing software is its steep learning curve, but Puzzle.io prides itself on being user-friendly. Unlike other platforms that require hours of training, Puzzle.io is designed with a clean and intuitive interface that you can get the hang of quickly. You won't need a full-time technical team to get it up and running. For those who find themselves overwhelmed by the complexity of bigger tools like Salesforce or HubSpot, Puzzle.io's straightforward approach could be a breath of fresh air. The sixth thing to keep in mind is pricing. While many competitors offer tiered pricing that can get expensive as your business scales, Puzzle.io is more affordable, especially for smaller businesses or startups. It offers a great value for the features it provides, and the best part is you can try it out for free through the link in the description. So before you commit, you can see if it aligns with your needs without making a financial commitment right away. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. When you're using a marketing platform, having responsive and helpful support is critical. Puzzle.io stands out here with its fast and knowledgeable customer service. Whether you're having trouble setting up an automation or need help interpreting your reports, the support team is quick to assist. Compared to competitors like MailChimp, where support can sometimes be slow, Puzzle.io's team is a definite plus. So, if you're ready to give Puzzle.io a try, head to the first link in the description for the best free trial, exclusive benefits, and a no-strings-attached experience. Don't miss out on this chance to see how Puzzle.io can transform your marketing efforts today.